You're welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I want to show you how I made my specialty rice. I made this rice using some goat meat and beef, and trust me, it came out really good and so yummy. So the ingredients I'll be using today are fresh peppers, shombo, onion, carrots, and green peppers. So I'll go ahead and blend these peppers into rough blending, just like what you're seeing. While I'll dice the carrot, the green peppers, and the onion into cubes just like this. And right now I'll be steaming my protein, but first of all I'll have to spice this protein because I'll need the protein broth. And the protein is steamed properly. I'll go ahead and fry the protein. I won't grill it because this is my own method of making my specialty rice. So the next thing I'll be doing is to dice the protein into cubes. And then I'll set it aside. So right now, I'll go ahead and cook the parboiled rice that is nicely washed with the protein broth. And the only thing I'll be adding into this rice is some white peppers and some seasoning cubes. So I'll be covering this rice to cook with a foil paper, and I'll allow this rice to cook till it's tender. The rice is tender exactly the way I want it. And I'll go ahead and fry the blended peppers, onion, and the shombo. But first of all, I'll fry the diced onion in a hot oil. When the onion has released all its juices, I'll then go ahead and add the blended items. And then I'll allow this to simmer till it's properly cooked. So these peppers has been cooking for a while. And I'll go ahead and add the diced protein. And I'll be adding some seasoning cubes to it, and I'll cook this for 10 minutes. Then I'll add the rice. I'll stir. When it's properly mixed, I'll add the diced carrots and the green peppers, and I'll mix everything together till it's properly combined. And I'll allow this to simmer for 5 minutes because the rice is soft enough. Is this rice not looking delicious? Of course it is. So it's really good to go versatile with your food. At least you should eat restaurant style at home too. Have some special and tasty, colorful meals at home. Trust me, everybody is going to love it. This is really tasty and delicious. And my little daughter will go ahead and say, "Mommy, this is so yummy." So guys, I want you to try this recipe at home, and trust me, you're going to love it because this is so delicious. It's not every time you make fried rice, white rice and stew. Try something else with just some peppers. You're going to love this. Thank you so much for joining me today again, and hope to see you next time. Bye.